Today I will solve one question from CSIR Net December 2018 part B of real analysis. Question is, suppose that xn is a sequence of real numbers satisfying the following. For every epsilon there exists a natural number n naught such that xn plus 1 minus xn less than epsilon for all n greater than equal to n naught. This is the difference of preceding terms after n naught. Then this sequence is, these are the options are about boundedness and of the sequence, convergence, and the sequence is Cauchy or not. In real numbers a sequence is Cauchy if and only if sequence is convergent. So first we see the definition of Cauchy sequence. Cauchy sequence is, for given epsilon greater than 0 there exists a natural number n naught such that mod of xn plus p minus xn less than epsilon for all n greater than equal to n naught and for all p greater than equal to 1. This satisfy for all p greater than equal to 1. So we can't take a particular case, like we can't take p is equal to 1 or 2 or 3. It's in general, it satisfy for all. In question it says xn plus 1 minus xn less than epsilon. So it satisfy only for when p is equal to 1, not for all p. So is this sufficient? Is this condition sufficient for a sequence to become Cauchy? No, this is not sufficient condition if you take particular value of p. The counter example is it is not sufficient for each term to become arbitrarily close to the preceding terms. This is not true for just for preceding terms, it's true for every p. So we take a sequence xn is equal to under root n. So the difference of preceding terms when we take p is equal to 1, this is under root n plus 1 minus under root n, and when we rationalize this term this become 1 upon under root n plus 1 plus under root n, and this term goes to 0. This implies this is less than epsilon. This implies this is less than epsilon, but we know that this is not a Cauchy sequence. This is not convergent, this is unbounded. Unbounded, this implies not convergent. Not convergent means not Cauchy, because in a real Cauchy if and only if convergent. Xn plus 1 minus xn is less than epsilon, but this is not Cauchy. So this implies that if we take particular value when p is equal to 1, it is not sufficient to become a sequence to be Cauchy. So this implies it says options are bounded but not necessarily Cauchy, but we take example xn is equal to under root n, which is not bounded and also not Cauchy. It says it is bounded, so option 1 is incorrect. Option 2 says Cauchy but not necessarily bounded. Xn is equal to under root n is not Cauchy. It says it is Cauchy, so option 2 is again discarded. It not Cauchy, this implies not convergent, so option 3 is also discarded. This implies option 4 is correct option.